before that column.
Just an update from this actual helicopter crash. As you can see, this is the Mgeni River. It's actually in this grassy area that the helicopter came down. As you can see, that we're using boats and other accessories to get across. Paramedics are across there. We're just awaiting a further update of injuries and number of people. It is not accessible by vehicle, as you may see, and paramedics and rescue personnel being ferried across. Further updates to
Emergency services are currently busy at the scene of a helicopter crash at the Mgeni River, where the N2 crosses it in eThekwini. All emergency services are currently at the scene. The helicopter has crashed into one of the islands in the middle of the river. It's not updated as yet.
KZN VIP paramedics together with Durban Fire and SAPS Search and Rescue are currently on the scene of a helicopter crash near the Mgeni River. It's actually under the service road between the Mgeni Road and the Nanda Road. There are injuries currently on the scene. As you can see, it's extremely difficult to access, and rescuers are on site. Ambulance services also making their way through with equipment to assist.